Hello everyone, welcome back to today's channel. In this simple video, I'm going to insert videos to CapCut. So I'm using CapCut for PC. After you open it, you can select import in media, select import to import your videos, not only videos but also audios and then images that you want to edit. So for example, so you can prepare your video before and then select the video that you want to edit and just click open. Okay, just wait. Okay, so the video has been imported to CapCut. Okay, that's how you can insert your video to CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and to edit, just drag to the track.